guys, and welcome the new host of this channel.
No, I'm just kidding. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Voicebox completely for free. If you don't know what Voicebox is, it's basically a tool that allows you to clone any single voice completely for free. And this is hosted completely locally on your PC, so you don't have to have any privacy concerns. This tool is truly revolutionary. It's going to completely erase ElevenLabs, and it's the future of text-to-speech. And today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install it, set it up, and clone your own voice. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing we're going to need to do is go to Google Chrome. We're going to look up Voicebox and click on the first link. I'll be leaving a link in the description for your convenience. But once you're here, you're going to have to pick the right installer. So in my case, I'm going to pick macOS. And as we can see here, it's currently installing. This might take a little bit. Okay, once that's done, make sure you click on it. And here's the application. Now we're going to click on the application. Click open. Keep in mind that because it's being hosted locally on your PC, it's going to use your own PC's resources. So depending on how fast your PC is, it may or may not take longer to generate a voice. But rest assured, the voice will be generated. Now here we're going to click on create a voice. You're going to allow access to your microphone. Here I'm going to clone my own voice and show you guys the results. So let's start recording. Hey, this is what my voice sounds like. I'm going to have to keep talking for 30 seconds. So that is what I'll be doing right now. Okay, awesome. And then we're also going to have to transcribe it. Again, this might take a little bit, so just make sure you're patient. Also, in order to be able to transcribe it, it has to download Whisperbase, which is just a transcription tool. Again, it does this all automatically for you, so you don't have to worry about doing stuff manually. Okay, download complete. Now I can transcribe it. Okay, and there we go. And now we will do create a profile. Call it me. This is my voice. Let's create profile, and let's give it a test. Here, I'm going to be typing some text. And also, there's this cool feature that a lot of people don't know, which is you can give it fine-tune instructions. Here, we can give my voice some style. So let's say, very excited and happy. Okay, now we can click generate speech. Happy, happy, happy. Here, they give you two model options. If you have a slower PC, I would recommend the 0.6 billion parameter one. But if your computer is modern enough and has good enough hardware, then you can use a 1.7 billion parameter model. In my case, I'm using the 1.7 billion parameter. And there we have it. Here's a generated version of my voice. Play, subscribe, and like. Now, let me show you guys how you can clone any single voice. So we're going to go ahead and create a new voice, and we're going to use system audio. This is going to capture audio from your computer, allowing you to clone absolutely any voice. So let me show you guys. So let me show you this in action. We're going to go to Google Chrome. We're going to go to YouTube. We're going to look up a random person. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Okay, we're going to go over here. Let's...
I have one more job tonight.
Skip to this part.
Because this convention...
Okay, let's start capture. We're going to allow system settings. Voice box. Type in my password. Don't look. Okay, now let's start capture. And we're going to play this video for 30 seconds. Okay, awesome. Let's go ahead and transcribe that. Let's give this a name. Barack. Clone. Create profile. Now let's click on the clone. And let's say... Let's give it some instructions. Very speech-like. Now, playing around with this tool, I found that the more concise you keep the instructions, the better it performs. So just make sure to keep it short and simple. Now we're going to generate. And again, this may take longer or it may be slower
please make
depending on your
sure to
system.
like and subscribe.
Okay, let's play that again.
Please make sure to like and subscribe.
Listen, if the ex-president says it, then you got to do it. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I will try to help you as much as I can. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.